Welcome to Tingenuity AI, back for another Midjourney Monday. I'm excited to be again with my brother, a graphic designer extraordinaire, creative director. Take it away, Warren. Tell us what we're doing today.
All right. Welcome, AI Explorers. We're going to jump into our Midjourney Monday. Today, we're going to take some celebrities and inject them into a really nuanced kind of look and feel. So in this example, we're going to take Marilyn Monroe here, put her in a cyberpunk setting with vivid and abstract colors, richly detailed. Again, we're looking at vibrant contrast and that kind of thing. And so we're going to see what it does. We'll hit enter and start from here. Now, Jacob, he's going to jump in with another dead celebrity or fictional character, I guess. And we'll see what it creates for
I like
him.
to turn things on their heads. So let's see what Abraham Lincoln looks like this.
Oh.
So. I was curious. I just wanted to know.
Well, for our older fans, you know, Bill and Ted's Excellent Adventure, that was brought to mind with that, you know, them going and grabbing.
So great.
Throwing. Yes, so great.
Dude, did I tell you I had my kids watch that movie because we were on a road trip or something, and I'm like, you have to watch Bill and Ted's Excellent Adventure.
Oh.
They got to the end, they were like, what was that, Dad? Such a good movie. Oh, man.
Well, you can see it's already developed out some really interesting stuff.
Ooh,
Okay,
check it
here
out.
we go.
I like it.
Okay, this is odd. So let's look at this for a little bit.
Break it down for a second, huh?
Break it down, yeah. So I'm wondering why it threw all this. So I guess the vivid and abstract manner is brought into that.
Yeah, the brighter colors of the contrast, the vivid and abstract manner, richly detailed.
Yeah, let's drop out some of this. So I'm going to copy this prompt, and I'm going to put Imagine in here, and we'll talk about Abraham Lincoln here. We're going to change the setting to
Abraham Lincoln looks dope.
Vivid. We're going to get rid of the abstract quality here and see what it does, and say editorial photography.
Oh. Now that will be interesting. Let's take a look.
And we'll hit enter and go with that. All right. So Abraham Lincoln, it looks pretty cool. I kind of like Abraham Lincoln over here in the top right. He looks like he's a gunslinger. Which,
yeah.
I don't know. I do like his glasses in the bottom right as well. It's pretty cool.
I'm gonna do Abraham Lincoln in the new prompt that you did.
Abraham Lincoln Vampire Hunter. That's what that top right looks like.
But you mentioned, and we mentioned before John Wick, and then you mentioned Bill and Ted. So I am gonna do Keanu Reeves. Let's see what happens.
Okay, so here we go with Marilyn Monroe in cyberpunk setting, depicted in a vivid, rich detail, editorial photography. So interesting. Whoa, what is up with the bottom left?
It's hard to tell. Let's see.
It's like Carrie.
Interesting. Look at this next one with Abraham Lincoln.
Oh, I love the hat with the display, the virtual display in front of his eyes.
He looks a little, I don't know how I like some of these. The virtual display is neat. The bottom right doesn't quite do it for me. I liked the first set of Abraham Lincolns. I liked the first set a lot.
Well, that one he looks like he's in Blade Runner.
Yeah.
The bottom right.
Yeah.
All right. So we've got John Wick here in a cyberpunk setting.
Just Keanu Reeves, not John Wick. Let's.
Oh, okay.
Although that's clearly they're
clearly it's pushing to that John Wick look and feel. I'd be interested to see what Marilyn Monroe as a social media influencer. Oh no!
You're gonna put that in too.
Marilyn Monroe.
Be fun. Yeah, I like it.
As a social media.
Dude, I like the next
fashion
one too.
Influencer.
Which, you know, if Marilyn Monroe was alive today, right? Maybe that's what she'd be.
Let's see. Let's do a different layout. We're going to do full body shot here so that she gets the full body
whole
shot.
social media thing going.
Yeah. There we go.
Nice.
I like these with Keanu Reeves. These are pretty good.
Yeah, they look good.
So, to our viewers, you can see that the minor changes to these settings, and you get some definitely different results. And it drives into those things. Like with the editorial photography, it went for that more realistic, where in this initial version, it just went for the kind of Andy Warhol look, or kind of an abstract painting look. So it does some interesting things.
You could make a poster out of any of those, you know. It'd be interesting.
Oh, yeah. I'm excited to see what this social media fashion influencer creates.
Is it stuck, though? It looks like it's kind of taking a minute.
Well, we'll post it to the blog if we get it to go. But today, this is your Midjourney Monday, and really fun kind of. I like that Midjourney Monday reflected Marilyn Monroe, so the nice alliteration there.
Marilyn Monroe Midjourney Monday. Say that
right.
sometimes fast.
Oh, here we go.
Oh, should we come back? Let's go. All right. As a social media influencer, and then we'll call it a day. But please like and subscribe if you've been enjoying Midjourney Monday. Click the buttons that are wherever they are. Does she have multiple legs? What is going on?
Yes, she does. That is something wild, but definitely the. So it would take some tinkering, but it obviously went for that fashion influencer. But interesting stuff. So
very cool.
Enjoy your explorations, guys. Our AI friends.
And we will see you next week. Thanks.